While I'm waiting for the new mainboard to arrive, I thought I might as well prep the bot to receive the new board because it has a slightly different shape. What a great opportunity to bring out the new gear and film it. Ooh. I want to show you quickly the current setup that I'm using sometimes. So I initially thought I'm going to use the GoPro with this mount here and just put it here, point it to whatever I'm doing and call it good. However, that's not working, and it's mainly because the focus is not working. Everything is blurry here and it's just a bit too close really. So then I came up with a slightly different setup that involves this highly professional shelf that I just put on the packboard here, and then use the same clamp to put it there, and that should be a good position, and there should be a good length to film properly. However, everything is weirdly out of focus, and the biggest issue is that the GoPro just shuts down after 20 minutes due to overheating. I tried many things. I tried different settings. I tried to take out the battery and charge it directly. Nothing works. It's just shutting down after 20, sometimes 25 minutes. So that pretty much makes the GoPro useless to me, and I need a new setup. So now I'm using this setup. So basically I just have a tripod in front of my desk. The only problem is that it's kind of in the way. So like this arm here, I need it, but it's in the way. And I always awkwardly need to go around it to do anything. So this setup does work somewhat, but it's by far not perfect. So let's unbox and see what new setup we got. Ooh. Why are we doing this? Why are we here? We are here for these two. So these are the new beams that will receive the new PCB that I'm desperately waiting on, but maybe that's another week or two away. So for now, let's install these into here. So it replaces, we will remove the PCB, these two bars, and then just swap them in, and that's it. This is the old PCB, and the new mainboard has not these cutaways here. It's a little bit bigger, just so that I have more room, and I think it looks nice. But that's the reason why these won't fit anymore, and I need to remove them. And there you have it. The setup is really everything I hoped for. Super sturdy, not in the way at all, handy to attach another light or another camera. The webcam itself works perfectly fine, good pictures, and they directly go into my PC, so super hassle-free as well. And the board is also now ready to receive the new mainboard, which I'm eagerly waiting. Until then, bye.